going home. Oh, Captain, my Captain, rise up and hear the bells. Rise up, for you the flag is flung, for you the bugle trowels, for you the canals and river rats, for you the shore and cloudy. Oh, Captain, grow louder, this arm beneath your head. It's some dream that on the deck was very cold and dead. My captain does not answer. His lips are pale and still. My father does not feel my hand. He has no pulse nor will. The ship is sunk or safe and sound, its voyage close and done. From fearful trip the victor ship comes with object room. But I with mournful tread walk the deck of the passing guns. Alright!